Welcome back. Today I have this look for you guys. I created this burgundy orange tones half cut crease eye look. Really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. So first I'm starting off with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm picking up the shade MFEO. And I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm placing this color all over my crease. Next, I'm using the shade Butter, and I'm moving on with a different brush. This is from Morphe, and I'm placing this where my crease is, but a little bit lower. I'm picking up the shade Pooter, and I'm placing this right on my crease line, just making it darker. I'm switching off to my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm picking up this shade Roxanne. Now I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm placing this shade on half of my eyelid. Next, I grab this flat brush by BH Cosmetics to cut half of my crease, and I'm also picking up this e.l.f. Cosmetics Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. I'm gonna go back with my Jaclyn Hill palette just to blend out any harsh lines. For foundation, I'm using my Hourglass Stick Foundation, and I'm placing this all over my face. Now for concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm placing this under my eyes. To set my face, I'm using my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm actually baking today. So I place this powder under my eyes. Now I'm picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium, and I'm mixing 2 shades together to bronze up my face. I'm also going to be contouring my nose to keep it snatched. Next, for blush, I'm going to be using my Tarte blush in the shade Party. I'm gonna go back in my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna be smoking out my lower lash line. Now it's time to blind everyone. I'm gonna be using my sleek highlighting palette to highlight my face. After that, I'm picking up my NYX Lippy in the shade Seduction. Once I'm done with the lip, I did place mascara, but it didn't record. After the mascara, I curled my lashes and the look is complete.